Precious on the right.
Have you seen the Dark Knight, the movie Dark Knight?
We are trying to order something to eat. So I ordered myself a cup of caramel macchiato.
Caramel macchiato for
Thank you.
I'll be right back to get.
I want to be so rich. No, I want to have money. So the fact that I'm able to afford a lifestyle including pay. Yeah, bo? Ngiyasihlulile siyaboxa. Usihlulile. Look. Guys, can you hear that? No.
Modela, pe on se va modela.
Oh, is it big? Okay, right now we're gonna go to the pool. I'm gonna use right now. Oh God! Okay, so we just woke up, and right now we have to get ready to start our day because we do have things to do today. That's why.